So you want to copy an entire spreadsheet? Yes, you can copy a tab, go to sheet 1, and go to the down arrow, copy to a new spreadsheet or an existing spreadsheet. A new spreadsheet takes this tab and only this tab, copies it to a brand new spreadsheet file. That might be something very useful. But if I just want to copy the entire spreadsheet file, no matter how many tabs there are here, I can go up to File, Make a Copy. Now, here's what else I can do. I can rename that new copy. I can share it with the same people. I can copy comments. And if I copy comments, I can include resolved comments if I want. I can also select the drive that I'm going to put this new spreadsheet file into. Now, if I don't want to do any of those things and I just want to copy, maybe even a copy of someone else's spreadsheet that they've shared with me, I can go up to the URL and do one of two things. Over on the right side where it says Edit, I can delete all of that to the right and write Copy. Now this URL is going to take me to this screen where I can make a copy. I can share this URL of my own spreadsheets with other people so they can make a copy as well. Let's go back to the original URL. And I can do one more pretty funky thing, which is right between Docs and Google of the URL. It says docs.google.com. I can change the dot to DOT, the word dot. Now, if I do that, I'm going to end up on bettersheets.co/download, where the URL that I've entered, the actual spreadsheet URL of my spreadsheet, has now been entered, and I can get a lot of different URLs that do really cool things, like CSV export or a PDF export upon clicking. If I've shared my spreadsheet as anyone can view, I can share this URL and someone can download it as a PDF or even as an Excel. But also, here's the URL with copy already there. So I can copy this particular URL and share that so other people can copy my spreadsheet. There's some other views like HTML view, minimal editor view, template view. There's some other really cool URLs here. But yeah, this new URL hack of changing docs.google to actually docs.google is pretty awesome and very, very useful when you're trying to get your spreadsheet copied or in a PDF or as a CSV.
You're watching Better Sheets here on YouTube. Make sure you check out this video or this video and subscribe right now to get more tips, tricks, how-tos, get more out of your Google Sheets than you ever have before. I'm excited to be making a ton more videos here. Ask me questions down in the comments and I will answer them in future videos. But for right now, right here, one of these videos is going to be your next Google Sheet.